Microsoft Word. Okay. So the first thing I need you guys to do is pull up the internet in Google Chrome, if you haven't done that already, and you need to type in the address that is at the top, right under Formatting Fun. That will take you, it should take you directly to the link that you need to press to open this on your computer. If anyone has any problems, just raise your hand. And then when you have it up and you're ready, just raise your hand once so I know that we can start. You're putting this exact thing into the, yeah. Okay, how many people have it pulled up? How many people are still working on it? And then, yeah, this third one right here. Okay. And then click the red. Okay, now that most of us are ready, the first thing that I would like everyone to do is put your name up at the top. And then the first thing that we need to do is color these words, and we're coloring the actual font, we're not highlighting. So to do that, you need to highlight your word. We're going to do this first word together, and then you can go up to the capital A, and the first color that we need is already there, so all we have to do is click, and it changes our word red. The next word that we have is blue, so again, we highlight, and we go to the A, and we click to drop down, and we pick blue. And that will change our word to blue. Now that we've done two together, I want you guys to do green, yellow, and orange on your own. And then when you finish, just raise your hand once so I know when we can move on. Okay, looks like we're ready to move on. So we're going to move down. Our next section is moving words. So our first word is right. So again, you highlight your word, and then you go to the paragraph box. And the third one over says align right. And that is what we will click to move that word. We did right together. I want you guys to do left and center. And when you're finished, raise your hand once so I know we can move on. Okay, good job. And then our last section that we have is to correct the spacing of our sentence. So for our first sentence, between Bob and was, we have too much space. So you can click in between and use backspace until you get the appropriate amount of spaces, and you do the same thing for between was and A. And then A and frog don't have a space in between, so you'll click in between those and use your space bar to make a space. I want you guys to finish the next two sentences. 3 sentences. And then raise your hand when you are finished. Is anyone having any trouble? Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you.